This video explains how to buy shares of Douglas AG, the European beauty retail group listed on Xetra with the ticker DOU.DE. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. Always research before investing. To trade, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker DOU.DE to locate Douglas AG. Select the result that shows the Xetra listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company's short profile and the price chart to review recent movements and context. Confirm the page displays Xetra and the ticker DOU.DE before proceeding. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, review all order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next open, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A demonstration link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the platform.